Hello everyone, I am Jyotsna Raghavan from Mahi. I am here as a District Wellness Officer, DWO under National Healthcare and Wellness Mission. Currently, I am under training. National Healthcare and Wellness Mission is a collaboration of Optim Health and Wellness Private Limited, a leading organization in the field of healthcare and wellness in India. Working as a DWO under National Healthcare and Wellness Mission is both a privilege and a responsibility. We are educating and helping people to prevent and reverse from degenerative lifestyle diseases and helping them to maintain better health. I joined the mission because I like the mission and to be a part of it. It is not just a mission. It is a movement towards better health, awareness, empowering opportunities through quality nutrition and a change in lifestyle. NHWM offers a wide range of healthcare services, awareness and education, nutritional assessment, coaching and training, and personalized counseling. I request everyone to join our mission and to create awareness about wellness and proper nutrition and pass information to everyone in the society. To get more information about our mission, please follow and subscribe our YouTube channel and share the information as many as to reach everyone in our society. Thank you.